I promised myself all through summer and all through fall that I wouldn't wait till there was a foot of snow outside before finally servicing my snowblower. Yeah. Apart from doing mine, my neighbor Maurice also brought his in. He's got some more serious problems. The problems on mine are mostly gas and gas tank related. Because of oxidation and evaporation, gas, pure gas, is stuff we use in our cars and whatever, is good for 3 to 6 months in a sealed container. This is way past 3 to 6 months. It's been outside all summer. It'd be underneath my balcony. And also, squirrels chewed through the casing, the plastic casing of the gas tank, right here. After 3 to 6 months, gas gets thicker and gooey, and it clogs up injectors, carburetors, and whatever feeds your engine. So it kind of makes you rethink the whole post-apocalyptic scenario of cars running on gas that's years or decades old, right? So by adding about half a tank of new gas, I managed to get this one started, but it was still sputtering and idling rough. Managed to clear my driveway though, but now I really need to take care of this. So I'm thinking I'll start with some epoxy here. I'm hoping by just getting more gas running through the engine that eventually it'll clear itself up. If not, I'll put some sort of cleaner or additive to boost whatever gas is in there till it runs out, and I'll just keep adding more, I guess. It worked last year. Start by cleaning this off a bit, just take off the excess. Yeah, that should be okay. That's good. Thinking a bit of JB weld, plastic weld will do the trick. And some gloves. Not that I think that this stuff is incredibly toxic, just sticky. Okay. That's more than enough. Wonderful. I don't know if everybody's familiar with this, but two-part epoxy, you just mix it up until you get an even color. There's a center which is gray, and this one, the outside, is very light gray or white, until you get a uniform color. From there, there's a chemical process that starts, and not too long after, it gets really, really hard. This is the plastic weld by JB Weld, plastic repair epoxy, and there's also the metal weld, also by JB, and that stuff is really metal hard. I don't know, maybe there's a method to do this. That's all uniform, right? Yeah. So it won't be long before it starts hardening. But right now, it's pliable and sticky, just perfect for a gas tank. Got more than enough for this. I don't know, maybe. But more than enough, then maybe I can sand it down. Oh, that is. That'll cover more area than needed. Oh, that is. This snowblower really has held up well over the last 4 years. If there's one spot of corrosion, it's right here. That's all there is. You know what? I'll just take it off, grind it down, and then I'll paint it again. So I would guess this would be metric and 10 millimeters. Is this 10? Oh, that's 11. Is that 11? That's 11. That's 10. Yeah, it's 10. Oh, it's kind of loose. So let's go with standard 5/8. That's the 5/8. Here's 5/8. Oh, it is. Okay. Okay, there's the one. Beautiful. How does this hold on there? Okay, I need to remove this completely. I have to remove that little wheel. Small. Is that the same size? It is. Oh, this one's oh, very good. All right, so there's just this plate that's really corroded, kind of thin, and it's flaking off. Yeah, so I'll grind this down with a wire wheel and give it a couple of shots of trim clad or something. More. That's good. We'll take this into the paint room. Hello, paint room. Looking good. And now we'll just put this in the drying room. Oh. Pressure should be at 20 maximum. I'm at 4.4. Okay. $18.2? Yeah. Shake that again. Perfect. So the 710 level is perfect. Oh yeah, the epoxy is rock hard. Let's just snap. Catch on me. I'll use this. Good enough. So my snowblower, apart from that small piece I need to put back once the paint has dried, is fine. I think, you know, of course there's probably some water or some bad gas in there, but sometimes older beings have bad gas. This pulley, which looks amazing without the rust, and painted black. Let's just start threading this in. Pull that hole, I guess so. This goes this way, so this goes here. Wonderful. I think. No, I think this goes on the other way. Actually, it seems to slide around quite a bit. Huh. I'm not sure that's even supposed to be there. What the heck is that? Looks like a tie wrap. It's sliding around. That's weird.
tension by doing this. That looks okay. Same thing as this here. Wonderful. Okay, let's move this guy out of the way. Mine will be perfect now. Yeah. Looking good. Choke. Keys in. The key's not in there. So, if you don't have a snowblower or you don't need one, good for you. But there's a key that fits into the snowblower as a security measure. There we go. Watch this. So when I started the snowblower a couple of days ago, it was really sputtering, and now it sounds good. Maybe there was some water or debris. I think it's been cleared out now. So mine's okay. I'll send it back, well, to the back of the house, and I'll work on Maurice's snowblower this evening. Now you think you had problems. No, it's been a pleasure. No, seriously. Problems? You should have seen Maurice's snowblower. Now that's a snowblower who's got problems. Cheers.